All right, so with the door panel off, again, now we do door mirror. So, pretty simple. You've got rubber plug right here. There's this guy. Whoop-de-doo. Pop them out. Now, one screw right here. This is a clip and a clip. I use this guy, which I love this thing. I always put this in all my links. And I pop them, pull them behind, and I pop them out. I pop them out. So much easier. Because it is kind of cold out. So, we've got one 10 mil. You gonna focus? I see the tip. Can you see the tip? We got two more tips right there. Can you see them? Are you gonna focus? It's tough to see, but oh, there we go. I see them. 10 and 10. Let's see if I can pull them out. And this wire comes right around. Plugs right here. I think this is a blind spot. Yeah, I just got the blind spot. If you can see, we've got a blind spot. Does it have the blinker? No blinker. But you got to do it with the window up. Actually, you know what? Yeah, gotta do it with the window up. So let's see if we can get these off and make sure it's right. All right, so I got them off. It is the mirror, but I did drop one. And since I took the speaker back out before, do not panic. It is right there. You see it? I had my hand underneath it. I have a magnetic tip, but this was not the magnetic tip. The magnetic tip does not fit because it is shallow. See? So, not a big deal. It is a Toyota. And once it's down there, you can hit it with a magnet. Let's see. We got magnetism. We got magnetism. We got magnetism. We got magnetism. And we have a nut in our head. We have a nut in our head. That's funny. There you go. So yes, that is the way to remove the mirror, and there you have it. I'm gonna put it all back. I'll see if I can get the link in the description. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.